धागत तगड़ धात्रक दिगड़ कतरक दिगड़ कतक दिगड़ कड़धात्री गड़धा कतधा कड़धात्री गड़धा कतधा कड़धात्री गड़धा कत धागत तगड़ धात्रक दिगड़ कतरक दिगड़ कतक दिगड़ कड़धात्री गड़धा कतधा कड़धात्री गड़धा कतधा कड़धात्री गड़धा कत धागत तगड़ धात्रक दिगड़ कतरक दिगड़ कतक दिगड़ कड़धात्री गड़धा कतधा कड़धात्री गड़धा कतधा कड़धात्री गड़धा कतधा.
नवरसांना नटराजा तू कलेचे अंग दे. नई नुकीली नज्म को.
Namaste. I am Nisha Satpute, the writer and director for Navaras. Navaras is a music album of 9 ghazals that we are planning to release in the upcoming year. Each song will be composed in a specific rasa and centered around the theme of love. Our aim is to evoke a certain kind of emotion or bhava associated to a specific rasa. The most unique factor about this album is that all the songs will be written in different languages and also composed in different genres. More information about the album is given below, so kindly check it out. We are a group of 9 young artists who are trying to create our own niche in the music industry. We belong to different professions and also different regions of India, yet are united by our love for music. Rishabh Purohit is a vocalist, composer and music producer. He has trained in Indian classical music under various eminent gurus for 14 years. Malvika Dikshit is a semi-classical vocalist from Pune. She has been learning classical music for the past 15 years and has completed her Sangeet Alankar Stage 1 from Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. Niladri Mukherjee is a filmmaker and singer based in Bangalore. He currently works as an assistant director at Nirvana Films. With cinema, he enjoys music, dance and mystic poetry. Yash Kurmi is a final year medical student at MIMER Medical College. Along with that, he has also pursued his education in Indian classical music for 14 years. Nitin Murli Krishna is a music producer and audio engineer with a master's from Berklee College of Music. He is currently resident chief engineer at Grace Park Audio, Pune, India. Shardul Bapat is an engineer by profession. Following his passion in music, he learnt violin from Suzuki School of Violin. Today, he is a violinist with the band Easy Wanderlings and is also the founder of Pune School of Music. Atharv Joshi is a final year medical student at Dr. D.Y. Patil University. He is a composer, music producer and singer based in Pune. Eshna Benegal is a dancer, writer and editor based out of Bangalore. She has trained in Odissi and Kathak. Dancing is her first love, followed by writing. Our first song, titled Dile Vaju, is composed in Shringar Rasa, which is the rasa for romance or love. A link to the song is given below. and it is available on all music streaming platforms. So kindly have a look.
तू प्रिय मज़े आजीवन खास तू दिल ए वजूद का एहसास तू दिल ए वजूद का एहसास तू प्रिय मज़े आजीवन खास तू प्रिय मज़े आजीवन खास तू
Navarasa is a dream project that will enable us to grow as artists and also explore the craft. But we can't do this alone and we need your support. We are trying to raise an amount of 6.5 lakhs. The money will be used for the production of the album. Your generous contributions will encourage young artists like us to follow their passion. It will also strengthen our belief in kindness and the value for the art. We are offering interesting rewards against your contributions, which includes a shout out on Instagram, a musical thank you, interesting merchandise related to the album, and something as large as a private music concert. If you want to know more, have a look at the reward section given below. Wishberry has an all or nothing policy, which means if we are unable to achieve our target, then the money is refunded to the backers. So please contribute to our project.
रूमानी रूप से रेखता को चंग दे, स्वर समृद्धि सर्जनता इन सब में मलंग दे, सदा कृपेने सरस्वती मज सुरांचा संग दे, मज सुरांचा संग दे.